In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneNote from backup. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll need to open your OneNote application. This step is fundamental as it serves as the gateway to accessing your backed up files. Ensure your internet connection is stable for a seamless experience, as OneNote often synchronizes data with the cloud. Once you've opened the OneNote app, look for the option labeled My Notebooks. It should be on your main screen or dashboard. Clicking this option reveals all your notebooks associated with your Microsoft account. This is where you'll find both your active notebooks and any that have been backed up. Now, it's time to locate the specific notebook you wish to restore. Click on View Notebook. This action gives you an overview of the sections within a chosen notebook. Viewing the notebook helps ensure you're about to restore the correct item. Precision is key when handling data recovery. Following this, navigate to the File tab. The File tab acts as a control center containing various options related to your notebooks, including data management, printing, and sharing options. Once you're in the File section, you'll find more tools for handling your notes. Within the File menu, search for and select Open Backups. This command is vital. It directs you to the folder where backups are stored. Keep in mind, OneNote typically manages backups without constant user input. However, understanding how to manually access them can be a lifesaver if you encounter data issues. When you click Open Backups, a list of all available backup files should appear. Carefully browse through and choose the relevant backup for the notebook you wish to restore. If your stored backups look overwhelming, don't hesitate to sort them by date or by file type to streamline your search. It's best to start with the most recent backups as they likely contain the latest versions of your notes. After selecting the desired backup, click to restore it. This action copies the backed up data into your active OneNote folder, effectively recovering your lost or corrupted notes. Remember to save any other ongoing work in OneNote to avoid overwriting any recent changes. Restoring OneNote from backup may initially seem daunting, but as you've seen, it's a methodical process. Having this skill set ensures your information remains secure and retrievable whenever needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide provides the clarity and confidence you need to manage your OneNote data effectively.